Flowery Kureya,
Coming from
Ashwin Mandre,
Mandrem. What is the problem?
slip disc. And now I'm getting this cervical disc problem also.
Slip disc from when?
From 2002.
2002.
Yeah.
What you have done for that treatment? Any treatment?
I went to this Boshi hospital in Kandalim first. There Dr. Zelli treated me. He gave me injection in my spine, but that was not helping me. So he told me to come to GMC for that. So there I was admitted for 15 days. He put on traction. But still I was not feeling well. Then the pain was still there. So he gave me one more injection in my spine again. Still I was not feeling better. So he discharged me like that only, and he said you'll feel better after some days, like that injection is given. So you go home. So after that I went home. Still I was not feeling okay only. So I went to one of the hospitals in Kalangut. Yeah. There one doctor told me to go to Dr. Zindal again to GMC and see what he's saying, whether to be operated or what. So Dr. Zindal said, no, your leg is coming up and all. You'll be alright like that only. You try some exercises and all. And don't get operated. But if there is need, like, then you have to get operated. So I came home. And someone told me that you should do some homeopathic medicine. That will help you. Then I went to one of the homeopathic doctors. There for a few days I felt better, like, Then again when I went to work and all, that pain started again after that medicine and all. And now again, same thing.
So
And now it has come on my neck,
neck also is severely pain.
Yeah,
What is the
severe pain.
symptoms? What are the problems you are suffering exactly?
That pain is coming right on my leg, and I could not bend like this also. I couldn't stand also. I couldn't bend also like that. If I had to lift something, like I was bending like that, and I was lifting. But with this medicine, since I came here now, this is my 7th day. I can bend. See, I can bend. I can lift like that. No problem. Even my neck, I could not bend like that, but now I can bend left and right also. I was getting too much pain here. When I was bending my neck like that whole pain was coming right down my leg. But right now I'm feeling much better.
So within 7 days you find a lot of relief in
Lot of improvement,
after our acupuncture treatment.
Yeah. Even
Otherwise now
climbing the
4
stairs
years,
and all, yeah.
4 years you are suffering a lot.
Yeah, 4 years.
And
Lots means lots.
so that day you was almost crying. Your husband was telling doctor something you do because I cannot see your pain.
Yeah.
And because every day and night you are suffering and having a lot of pain.
Lot of pain.
Okay. How you came to our center?
I was reading some magazines, and on that magazine it was given like acupuncture will help me, for this treatment. So I went to Saligaon Natural Ayurvedic Center. I thought they would have that this treatment over there. But that receptionist gave me one address that this doctor is staying in Baswara. So I went to your house over there, and I met your mother or something. She told me that you are treating in Panjim. And that's how I came over here.
Okay. So what do you want to say about our center and what about our treatment?
It's very good, and everyone of my this, like sleep disc and all, they should come for acupuncture because it's very good.
So after suffering from so many
Yeah,
years
I feel
now.
this is the only medicine for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and no other medicine will help. Like
And now you will feel that so many years you should have known
I
about our
should have
center.
come over here.
Yeah. But unluckily you
But
don't know
nobody
about.
told me about this. But thank God I came to know about this acupuncture.
You are not
It's
happy
really
with our
good.
treatment.
I'm very happy.
Okay.
And I'm feeling like, I will be getting alright very soon also. Because I feel like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.